Hi. In this video, we will introduce you to Power Query in Excel.
Let's learn about a very useful tool in Excel called Power Query. Power Query is a data transformation and preparation tool, and it's built into Excel and Power BI. Power Query helps users to gather, clean, and reshape data from multiple sources into formats that's ready for analysis. You can think of it as a way to simplify and automate the process of handling messy data. With Power Query, you can connect to various data sources like databases, files, online services, and so on. You can also filter, transform, and combine data without altering the original source. Power Query also helps to automate repetitive data preparation tasks. It uses a user-friendly interface with point-and-click options, but it also has advanced features for users who are familiar with coding with its M language. It's very popular with people working with large data sets and people who need to prepare dashboards and reports efficiently. Power Query is also called Get and Transform Data. Power Query automates getting and cleaning data, and it can load data to Power Pivot or the Excel grid. Power Query conducts what's called ETL operations. That means extract, transform, and load. So it can extract data from various data sources, transform and clean it, and then load it onto Excel or Power Pivot. Transformations applied to the data are called queries. This is a very efficient way of working with large data sets. Once you create a query, you can reuse it on data, and when data updates or refreshes, the query basically updates with the new data. Queries are reusable and dynamic, and when your source data updates, the queries will automatically work on the new updated data and give you the results. For Excel versions earlier to 2016, Power Query has to be installed as an add-in feature. If you got Excel 2016 or later version like 365, it's already there as an inbuilt feature. You can access it by going to the Data tab, and then under Get and Transform Data section, you'll see there's Get Data. This is basically your Power Query. From here, you can load data into Excel from various sources. From files, you can get from Excel files, CSV files, text files, and JSON, PDFs, and so on. And you also can get from databases, from Azure, from Power Platform, and other sources. So as you can see, you can import data from a wide range of data sources into Power Query. Once you load data into Excel, you can transform the data using different tools for cleaning, restructuring, transforming data. You can do things like removing duplicates, data filtering, splitting columns, merging data, pivoting, and so on. To apply the transformations, you can use the Power Query editor. You can also combine data from various sources inside the Power Query. Like you can take data from Excel files, CSV files, PDF files, and so on, and combine them together. Once you have cleaned and transformed the data inside the Power Query, you can load data into Excel or you can load it into Power Pivot, Power BI. Once you have transformed and cleaned your data in Power Query, you can load the data either to Excel, Power Pivot, or Power BI. You can also connect Power Query to data sources so that data will get refreshed automatically when the data sources are updated.
Thanks for watching.